Today we're going to learn about the optionally available Burmester Sound System and all of its options. So to look at the settings for Burmester, you'll select Media, and then here you can see a Burmester tab. Now, first thing we're going to look at here is listening position, and you'll see it says symmetric. Now, what this means is it's optimized for the entire vehicle. If you have passengers, it's really quite nice. However, if you spend most of the time by yourself in the car, I would select the driver setting, and that is optimized for the seat right here. The next is 4 different options for how you like to listen to your music, and also some of it may be dependent on the type of music you're listening to. Pure is as it's intended. It's exactly how the music was designed, and it will be delivered in exactly that manner. When you've got smooth here, which is just a little bit different, it's a little bit more of a relaxed and subdued sound. You have live, which is immersive and very exciting. And then you have surround. And so this is going to create a spatial experience in the vehicle with your listening. Okay, we have bass and treble here, and you can adjust these based on your preference. And the same with balance and fader. You can actually move this around to exactly what you would like to hear. The last 2 here are the sound enhancer and sound conditioner. Now, the sound enhancer is really quite good for lower fidelity streaming services, and so it will enhance that sound just a little bit. And then there's the sound conditioner, and that will adjust the music based on the driving situation. You now can enjoy the Burmester sound system in your new 911.